Hello there, my friends. I'm going to let you watch my process in iMovie here. So let's go to iMovie, and I'm working on this, and I added videos to it, but I'm just going to show you how I cut and edit this video. So let's go into edits. So I am talking to myself, but I'm representing myself with two people.
How are you today?
So what I want to do is
I'm just fine. How are you?
edit this video.
Well, I'm doing great.
All right, let's see here.
Hi, how are you today?
So let's go to,
Hi, how are you today?
so right there, I want to stop. So
Hi, how are you today?
a little right there, and then so I hit split, and then
I'm just fine.
I want it to jump to right about there, so it goes a jump. So let's go, okay, highlight, we'll hit split, we'll hit the middle part, and we'll hit delete, right? And then we go like this, so let's go.
Hi, how are you today? I'm just fine. How are you?
Split. See what's gonna happen here? We're gonna go back and forth.
Well,
Split, delete, and then check that. Hi, how are
hi,
you?
how are you today? I'm just fine. How are you? Well, I'm doing great.
Well, I'm doing great.
Well, I'm doing great.
Split.
Well, that's great. Have a nice day. Nice day.
Split.
You.
Split. Delete.
You too. Well, that's great.
See, I missed a part.
Well, that's great. How are you today? I'm just fine. How are you? Well, I'm doing great. Well, I'm doing great. Well, that's
Split this part, delete. Okay.
well, I'm doing great. Well, that's great. Have a nice day. You too.
Okay, so we'll stop there. Split, and then delete. And now, and now we're gonna do a dissolve into this.
Hi, how are
So we go like this, we go split, we're gonna delete this part. All right, so we're gonna dissolve.
Hi, how are you today? Hi, how are you today? You too. Hi, how are you today?
Split. And detach. Wait, here we go. Yep, we want that deleted. Okay.
Today. Well, I'm having all these emotions and negative energy, and I don't know. I think it all started when I was 13 years old. And can I tell you about my relationship with my mother? Here, let me tell you about that. Let me tell you about that. Here, let me tell you about that. Years old, and can I tell you about my relationship with my mother?
Split.
Here, let me with my mother. Here, let me tell you about that.
Split. Delete. Split. Delete.
18 years old, and can I tell you about my relationship with my mother?
Delete.
It all started when I was 13 years old, and can I tell you about my relationship with my mother?
All right, we're done. So we hit done. And then, I don't know if I want to fade this out. Let's fade this out. Maybe. Let's see. We go to fade out from black. Let's try that. Let's see what happens.
I was 13 years old, and can I tell you about my relationship with my mother?
Yeah, that's better. That's more dramatic because that implies that the conversation is going to continue. Okay, so we hit done, and we're going to name this, and we'll say why the past was better. So, all right, so the past was better. So I'm going to say the past was better. And then what I want to do now is I want to edit it some more. I want to add text. So I want to add text. So how do I do that? I go to, let's see, I go to, how do I add text? Text, right? So here's the thing. I think I want to add text, but I want to add text over top of a lot of it. Well, let's do it this way first. We'll see if we can do this. We'll go text, and then we're going to go standard, and we're going to title and all that sort of thing. Maybe gravity. There, title, text there. Edit the past. Done. So let's see what happens. Hi, how are you today? I'm just fine. How are you? Well, I'm doing great. Well, that's great. Have a nice day. You too. Hi. Now we go here, and we're going to hit gravity again. And then, was that how it used to be the last time? Was gravity? And we hit the text here, edit, and say now. Hi, how are you today?
Well, I'm having all these emotions and negative energy, and I don't know. I think it all started when I was 13 years old, and can I tell you about my relationship with my mother?
So that's better. So let's see, let's do one more thing. I want to go in here and edit the text. What if I want to make that a different color? Look at that. So the past. So the past is like the 80s. So I want like a kind of a pastel, you know? The past. And then hit OK. So let's see what that does. Hi, how are you today? I'm just fine. Now we go over here. We hit now. And we go, we're going to hit now. We're going to edit that. And we're going to, oh wait. No. I want to get rid of the keyboard. Hit done. I want to change the color to, oh, there it is. Change the color of the text. No, that's not good. How about, no, I think I'll leave it the way it was. What if we, let us go back to done. right, we're done. So that's my process today. I hope this helped you. If it did, please smash the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.